Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and in this video we will have our Node MCU code portion of the tutorial. So let's get started. So now what we need to do is to open up the Arduino IDE, which I already have open. So if you haven't followed my setup tutorial, make sure you follow that and I will link it up in the iCard. But once you've done that, we just need to go into File, go to Examples, scroll all the way down and go to Adafruit MQT Library, go into the submenu right next to it after hovering over it, and then click MQT ESP8266 and open up the window that comes up. Okay, so here are all the things that we will need to change in this file. First, two things we'll need to change is the SSID and the password of our Wi-Fi network. Just need to put the SSID between these quotation marks and the password between these. Make sure to delete the placeholder text. Now the second thing we'll need to change is the AIO server, which will be the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So this will be something like 192.168.something.something. Can leave the server port as it is, and for our username and key, we just need to delete everything between these quotation marks since we don't have a username and password. Now we need to scroll down a bit, and we need to delete all the publishing, all the things related to publishing, because we don't publish any data with the Node MCU. And we will also need to change this topic. So just change this to whatever you like, but make sure you note it down because we will need that later. So now what we'll need to do right here is to initialize our relay pin. So what we do is int relay pin is equal to 13. Remember the semicolon. So this is basically the pin that we have the signal wire on our relay. So now we need to go scroll down and initialize the relay pin to be an output pin. So what we need to do is type in pin mode. There we go, relay pin, and that is an output. Make sure you add your semicolon. So now we can scroll down a bit more, and here is the part where we need to add a few lines. So the first line we'll need to add is int, and then on, off, button, state. You can actually name this whatever you want, but I'm just going to name it on off button state. And I'm going to set that equal to ATOI, which will basically turn this character into an integer. Put parentheses there, and you have to paste in everything that's right here. So this will basically convert the character data type into an integer so that we can use the integer data type here. And then under that we just need to digital write to the relay pin. So digital write and we go relay pin. You need to set that to these on off button state. On off button state. And make sure you add your semicolons here. I forgot them. And now finally we need to delete all this stuff pertaining to the publishing, because again we are not publishing anything using our Node MCU. So now that you've changed everything, we just need to make sure the Node MCU is plugged in. Go into Tools, select your board by going down in here and then into ESP8266 boards. And then we also need to change the port. Make sure it is the correct port. So now that we've done that, we can upload the code to our Node MCU. Just press that upload arrow, And now it is finished uploading to the Node MCU. So now we are done with all the Node MCU code. So that's the end of this short tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.